Number 1. Build self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for achieving your goals and reaching your full potential. It's the difference between champions and losers. Self-discipline is maintaining focus and determination in the face of hardship. It's what motivates you to keep going even when things get rough. You may even call it the fuel that gets you where you want to go. Think about it. If you want to get in shape, you need to master your diet and go to the gym every day, no matter what the weather is like or what other people say or how you feel. Discipline means figuring out which tasks are more important for your long-term goal and doing them first. Technically, it also means not wasting a day to close the gap between your current reality and your goal. Developing discipline, on the other hand, can be a difficult task. Many people struggle to put forth effort over long periods, which is why they fail to meet their goals. It would be best to clarify what you want, understand why you want it, minimize distraction, prioritize essential tasks, analyze your progress, and hold yourself accountable to develop self-discipline. Discipline and habits go hand in hand. To get started, commit to waking up the same time every day and making your bed for 21 days. This may appear to be a minor activity, but it can significantly influence you. Getting up at the same time every day will discipline your time, and making your bed will give you control over your surroundings. These small steps will help you get your life in order and lead you to more self-discipline. Number 2. Time management. Time management is essential for living a productive and ordered life. With excellent time management, you may accomplish more in less time, minimize stress, and increase your chances of job success. Poor time management, on the other hand, can be disastrous. When you lose control of your schedule and allow distractions to interfere, you waste valuable time and wind up feeling stressed and overwhelmed. For example, spending hours looking through social media while working on an assignment is terrible time management. To make the most of your time, it's critical to focus on the task and avoid distractions. Another negative consequence of inadequate time management is losing control over one's life. You're more likely to feel uncertain and disorganized if you don't have a clear action plan. And besides, if you don't know how to manage your time well, the quality of your work will also drop. So how do you manage your time effectively? It begins with realizing that controlling your time is more than just preparing your day. It's also preserving your energy, right? You can't just work when you're exhausted and drained. It's challenging to be productive and focused in that way. It's critical to identify measures to conserve your energy levels and manage time, such as taking regular breaks, eating balanced food, and getting adequate sleep. You'll be better able to handle your chores with confidence and focus if you prioritize your well-being and take care of your mind and body. Number 3. Emotional intelligence. Have you heard the term emotional intelligence? It's as important as traditional intelligence or IQ. You may believe that having a high IQ is the key to success, but the truth is, being brilliant in school does not always translate into success in life. It may surprise you that it's not always the best students in school who come out on top. People who only focus on schoolwork may end up working for people who are better at emotional intelligence and social skills. So understanding people and their emotions are essential for success in both personal and professional life. This means you can read people's thoughts, desires, and feelings and apply knowledge to improve relationships and make more informed judgments. What can you do to boost your emotional intelligence? Begin by stepping back and assessing your own emotions. Try to understand your ideas and feelings by writing them down. This will help you have more control over your feelings, and you'll be better equipped to handle the world. Next, work on enhancing your emotional intelligence in your interactions with others. Be present during a conversation, and don't let your thoughts and ideas get in the way. You can create deeper relationships and make more informed judgments if you genuinely understand others. Please don't underestimate the importance of emotional intelligence. It could be the key to realizing your greatest potential. Number 4. Money management. It is an important life skill that can distinguish between financial security and disaster. Good money management skills not only help you maximize your earnings, but also help you reach your long-term financial objectives. Money management is essential, whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, budgeting for retirement, or simply trying to make ends meet. Consider money management to be a game. If you want to win, you must follow the rules and strategies of the game. You must first understand how money works and devise a plan for controlling your income and expenses. By sticking to a budget, you may ensure that you have enough money to fulfill your essentials, pay off debt, and invest for the future. Debt and leverage are two critical components of money management. Your debt-to-equity ratio is a key factor in establishing your financial health. Too much debt might put you in financial danger, while too little debt can limit your capacity to invest and develop your wealth. To find the perfect balance, you must understand how to use debt to your benefit. On the other hand, leverage is the process of using the money of others to attain your financial objectives. Leverage allows you to boost your purchasing power and achieve financial success far faster than you could. Remember, money management is an important life skill that can determine your financial success. Number 5. Maintaining concentration. Distractions are everywhere in the fast-paced world today, so it's easy to become distracted and lose sight of the task. But did you know that maintaining focus is essential for success in all aspects of life, be it business or relationships? So what exactly does it mean to be focused? Well, it means staying attentive to the task at hand and working on it over and over again. It would help you to achieve anything in life. Remember, distractions must be avoided to remain focused. This means putting your phone aside and finding a quiet spot to work. Also, remember that pushing oneself too hard might be counterproductive for you. So the best way is to strike a healthy balance between work and rest. The Pomodoro strategy is one technique that can help you stay focused. This time management technique trains your brain to focus on a single subject for brief periods. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work without interruption. Then, after a 5-minute rest, repeat the process 4 to 5 times more. After completing 4 to 5 cycles, take a 20 to 30-minute break. This technique is a simple and efficient method for staying focused and getting more done in less time. Finally, getting enough sleep is essential for keeping focused. You can't expect to focus if you're sleepy, can you? Make sure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and take small 20-minute naps between long jobs to recharge your batteries. So keep your focus and aim for the stars. Nothing can stop you from reaching your set goals. Number 6. Read and read more. Successful people have a secret weapon. They read. From tech titans such as Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg to other billionaires, they all have one thing in common. They read a lot. While the typical American reads 4 books yearly, these geniuses read significantly more. In an interview with Time magazine, Bill Gates discussed how reading books for more than an hour a day had been necessary to his career. It is common knowledge that reading has more advantages than watching movies or audiobooks. The brain analyzes text differently, allowing you to absorb information and develop connections to your memories and experiences. Indeed, reading is more than simply a leisure for the successful. It's an essential element in the formula for success. So instead of only watching videos, read books to help develop your most valuable asset, yourself. Think about it. If you read for just a week, you can learn what someone else has learned in a lifetime. Reading is a tremendous self-improvement tool. More reading equals more learning, and more learning equals more earning. Pick up a book to expand your knowledge and develop yourself. Don't allow distractions to stand in the way of your personal development. The power of reading is only waiting for you to discover it. Embrace the journey and start on your way to success. Number 7. Sales. The most important task you'll have as an entrepreneur is selling. Yes, you heard that correctly. Sales are the backbone of all businesses, whether selling a product, a service, or simply yourself. But why are most people afraid of it? The answer is simple. It's the fear of rejection. However, to be a successful entrepreneur, you must learn to embrace sales and use them to your advantage. Everything you do in life is a kind of marketing. You are communicating with others and trying to persuade them of something from the minute you were born. Whether you are asking your parents for a toy or trying to win over your crush, selling is all about making a convincing case for an exchange. In business, the trade or exchange is for money. You must persuade potential buyers that your product or service is worthwhile. You need to understand your customers' needs and develop a convincing case why your service is the solution they've been looking for. So if you want to be an entrepreneur, remember that sales abilities are not optional. It's the basis upon which your company will be built. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and confidently sell. The more you sell, the more you'll expand and earn. Number 8. Focus on the long term. Long-term goals are usually preferable to short-term gains. For example, your long-term aim could be financial stability and security. This could require years of hard work, budgeting, and wise financial planning. So building an emergency fund or paying off debt may be short-term goals that will help you reach your long-term goal. Stop looking for quick fixes or get-rich-quick scams. It takes time and effort to accumulate riches. Nobody achieves financial freedom and security overnight. It may take years of careful preparation and hard work, but the result will be well worth the effort. To be financially successful, you must plan and make choices that will affect your long-term financial stability. So the trick is to put in the effort today, and your long-term goal will become a reality one day. That's all, folks. Learning the appropriate skills can lead to riches and financial success. But the question is, which skills should you consider? The solution is simple. Discover your strengths and look for ways to monetize them. Remember that wealth is more than just having money. It is also about living a rich and meaningful life. So which skill are you going to work on first? Let us know in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe to The Growth Mindset for more interesting stuff like this.